Understanding delivery optimization files. Impact on system performance.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common question in the realm of system maintenance. Specifically, we're looking at delivery optimization files in your Windows system. Many of you have asked, will deleting delivery optimization files affect my system's performance or cause any issues with my apps or games? Let's dive in and discover the answer.
What are delivery optimization files?
Before we get to the impact, let's first understand what delivery optimization files are. These are part of Windows Delivery Optimization Service, a component of the operating system that allows your computer to get updates and Windows Store apps from sources other than Microsoft. This might include other PCs on your local network or PCs on the internet, depending on your settings.
What happens when you delete these files?
So, what happens when you delete these files? The straightforward answer is, it shouldn't significantly affect your system's performance, apps, or games. Delivery optimization files are mainly used to store temporary data related to updates. Once the updates have been installed, these files are typically no longer necessary. However, if your system is in the middle of downloading an update when you delete these files, it might need to restart the download process. So, it is generally best to avoid deleting these files if you know an update is in progress.
Will deleting these files cause any problems?
Will deleting these files cause any problems? In normal circumstances, no. As mentioned earlier, these files are primarily used for storing temporary data, and your system will recreate them as needed for future updates. They are not critical to the functioning of your system, apps, or games. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that if you're frequently deleting these files and interrupting updates, you may experience issues due to your system not being fully updated. This could potentially lead to performance issues or compatibility problems with certain apps or games. In summary, deleting delivery optimization files under normal conditions should not impact your system's performance or cause issues with your apps or games. However, it's important to ensure your system can complete its updates to avoid potential problems down the line. We hope this video has helped demystify the role and impact of delivery optimization files on your system. Remember, understanding your system better is the first step to optimal performance. Stay tuned for more informative tech content.